What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on HBAR because this coin is pumping from the setup that I showed you in my previous analysis. But don't worry, you can still trade it. So if you are interested about the exact trade that you can take here, or if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. In my previous video, I showed you this falling wedge, and here after breakout and then a support confirmation, we had this pump. But I also told you about these bearish order blocks, which are again really important. When I showed you this setup previously, I think we were testing like this part of the resistance, something like that. So you can see we actually broke this falling wedge a little bit lower, but don't worry, this is still tradable. You can still open here a long trade. First possible entry will be valid in case of a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation above this bearish order block. This bearish order block is between level 0.3326 and 0.3243, and if there will be that breakout and then a support confirmation, you can open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case you need to place just under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown again with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit target you can then place under $0.5 mark, which will give you itself risk reward ratio around 15.3, and that's in my opinion really great. In this case, you don't want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take in this bearish order block, which is between level 0.3528 and 0.3424. You probably want to take it like again during a liquidity grab, so let's say level approximately 3.551. Then some of the profits you want to take like under this and this high, and then something for example under like 0.4246, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio instead of 15 will be more like 9, 10, something like that, which is in my opinion still really awesome. If you don't want to trade such a small stop loss like 3.2% because you think there is pretty high probability of a potential liquidation, well, yeah, you are right, there is definitely high probability of a liquidation if we are gonna speculate for a 15 risk reward ratio. But don't worry, you can still wait for breakout and then support confirmation of this second bearish order block as well. The exact trade can then look for example like this. So again, entry will be above this bearish order block, and stop loss you will place under both of these resistance areas, so again the level 3.2255. In this case, the risk reward ratio will be only 4.5, so there is like a big difference between 15 and like 4.5, but the probability of a potential liquidation is really small. On the other hand, you can extend a potential take profit target. So in my opinion, in this bull market, as I told you in my previous video, HBAR is gonna hit something around that $1 mark. So if you will place the last take profit target slightly under that, so you will speculate for like 79% net market move, then the risk reward ratio is gonna be 19.68, and that's again really awesome. So you can trade here like this amazing trade with really good potential stop loss and even better risk reward ratio. Again, this is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio, because after you will take like 5, 6, maybe 7 take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be like 11, 12, something like that, which is still absolutely amazing setup. Also, some of you asked me if I can also show you some potential short setups because you think these coins are overvalued. Well, in my opinion, for example, HBAR is actually not that overvalued, but if you want to know about some potential short trades, when yeah, we have plenty of them. The main short trade that you can watch on the 1 hour chart is associated with this bullish order block. So if there will be a liquidity grab without the support confirmation, but there will be actually that resistance confirmation, you can open here a short trade. The trade is quite similar like the previous one, so entry in this case will be under this bearish order block after resistance confirmation, and stop loss you need to place above the high that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume it will be like 4.3%. Last take profit target. In this case, you can actually place like under this bullish order block, yeah, under this previous lows, because if we are gonna test this area, there is pretty high probability that there will be many stop losses, so we will take liquidity above. But again, in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like above this previous highs, above this bullish order block, under this bullish order block, because if there will be again liquidity grab, there can be a support confirmation, then definitely above this second bullish order block, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 6.8, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 4.2, something like that, which is like not a bad setup for a short trade. But in my opinion, the potential long positions that we can currently take here are, if we are compare it to a potential risk and profit, they are simply much better. But if you want, this is the main short setup that I would trade on such a low time frame like this. But yeah guys, definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you think HBAR is gonna hit. Tell me, for example, on what prices you already bought this coin, because if you bought this coin practically anywhere in this pump, you are right now in profit. And if you, for example, bought it on like higher prices like this, I think it's only a matter of time until we will get there. And if some conditions that I talked about will be met, I am definitely planning to open here some trading positions. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy my exact trades, then as I said, definitely join my Discord trading group where I am sharing my analysis. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.